I feel very lonely. I feel very lonely. I trust that everything is well. I trust that everything is well. This size is not for me. This size is not for me. It's the wrong size. It's the wrong size. It is you who have done it. It is you who have done it. This is just the pen I want. This is just the pen I want. Is today the 12th or 13th? Is today the 12th or 13th? What's the date today? What's the date today? What date is it, please? What date is it, please? I understand what you mean. I understand what you mean. I can see your point. I can see your point. That sounds difficult. That sounds difficult. It is much more difficult to hear. It is much more difficult to hear. I will have my own way. I will have my own way. I will do as I wish. I will do as I wish. Too good for you. Too good for you. Correct me if I am wrong. Correct me if I am wrong. He made me do it. He made me do it. Let me see. Let me see. The girl burst into tears. The girl burst into tears. I come from New York. I come from New York. This house is too late. This house is too late. Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem. Sure, that's okay. Sure, that's okay. I can definitely understand. I can definitely understand. There is nothing which I cannot give you. There is nothing which I cannot give you. Sure, I wouldn't mind. Sure, I wouldn't mind. Where have you been such a long time? Where have you been such a long time? This is partly true. This is partly true. What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? Please call me. Please call me. Neither he nor you. Neither he nor you. I am good at playing chess. I am good at playing chess. Yes, please come in. Have a seat. Yes, please come in. Have a seat. You have not changed a bit. You have not changed a bit. How are you doing? How are you doing? Who is speaking? Who is speaking? I am as before. I am as before. How is everything going? How is everything going? May I have your name, please? May I have your name, please? Let us go out for a walk. Let us go out for a walk. It has been a long time. It has been a long time. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.